In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Snapchat story. So posting Snapchat stories is great if you want to share to your friends what you're up to, what you're doing, and etc. But to share it, it's so simple. First, open up your Snapchat app and click on the camera icon. Now, you can just take a photo from here, share it to the story. You can record a video, share that video to the story, and also you can just choose a video or a image from your camera or from your snaps and just click on it and share it to the story. But in this example, let's just take a photo. Then you have three options: to save it to your camera roll, to edit your story, or to send it to someone specific. Now, in this case, we want to add it to our story, and if you see the send bar, that means that your story has been posted. If you want to see your story, go to the top left and click on the profile, then scroll down a bit, and then you will see your stories. As you can see, just now, the bottom left one means how many views you got, was it forwarded, and who replied to you on this Snapchat alone. Others are deleted. You can delete this story or snap if you don't like it. Of course, you can save it your camera roll, and here are more options. But that's basically it. That's how you create it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.